Hello everyone. If you're bored with the middle level plateau, this book really good for you. Take care. It is important for scientists to sort animals into groups. It is just as important to sort plants. Scientists sort them by how they make another plant like themselves. This is called reproductions. Scientists have decided to sort plants into three groups. The first group of plants reproduce with spores. Spores are parts of the plant that break away and travel in the wind. Each one grows into a new plant if it lands on soil that is wet and rich. Ferns and mosses are plants that make a copy of themselves with spores. Other plants reproduce with seeds. They are the second group. Seeds fall from the trees. They become part of the soil and grow into new plants.